In this video, we will show you how to hide apps on Samsung smartphone. Okay, to hide your apps, for example, in here, we want to hide the Brave. Okay, to hide the Brave application, so the people cannot access our Brave with the common way. How to do that? First, we can just go to our settings. Okay, just select settings here and type hide in here. Just type hide. After that, you can scroll down until you find home screen. Just click hide apps on home and app screens. Click this and you can see there is menu hide apps on home and app screens. Just click this. For example, we will try to hide the Brave. Okay, just click Brave and click done. Okay, now we cannot see the Brave on any shortcut here. You can see there is no Brave again. Okay, to open the Brave, we can using the special methods by opening on apps. Just go to settings again and choose settings. This is to open your hide apps. Okay, and select apps. Just select apps. Okay, select apps here. Then find the Brave, and this is Brave. Just click this. Okay, the Brave. After that, you can just click open. Now, that's all tutorial how to hide apps on Samsung smartphone. This is very helpful if you just want to hide the apps from any of your children or another. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.